I'm studying for the GRE and I learn through teaching. So let's do a GRE math practice problem. And if you're not studying for the GRE, just stay and learn some math or test your math skills because don't be stupid. This one is a little tricky. It looks easy, but it's a little tricky. So let's go over it. Of the 180 judges appointed by a certain president, 30% were women and 25% were from minority groups. If 1/9 of the women appointed were from minority groups, how many of the judges appointed were neither women nor from minority groups? So, first thing we have to do, from the 180 total judges, we have to figure out how many are women, how many are minorities, and also how many women are minorities. Okay? So, we know that 30% are women. Okay? So we find 30% of 54, which you can do by multiplying 180 times 0.3. Okay? You get 54. 25% were from minority groups. 25% is a quarter. So you can multiply by 0.25 or you could just divide by 4 because there's 4 quarters. All right? You get 45 minority. 1/9 of the women appointed were from minority groups. So out of the 54 women, okay, you either multiply that by 1/9 or you can divide by 9. You get 6 minority women, okay? Now, the question says, how many judges were neither women nor minority groups? So what we have to do is we need to add up 54 plus 45 and then subtract 6 because this 6 represents the overlap. We don't want this overlap here, okay? We can't have it. So we have 54 plus 45 minus 6, okay? 54 plus 45 is 99 minus 6 is 93, okay? That's not our answer. That's not our answer. That's how many women or minority groups there are, and we want to figure out what the rest is. So we have to do 180 minus 93, and then you get 87. So that's your answer. If you finish this video, then congratulations, you are now smarter than you were 2 minutes ago, and you should be proud of yourself.